Advanced Biome Corporation is a specialized nutraceutical company with an emphasis on sleep, oxidative stress, neurologic health, and gut health through its unique formulations and delivery systems. There are three key areas of innovation: unique and powerful formulations, sustained release technology, and specialized probiotic strains that support specific therapeutic targets. Using only the finest sourced ingredients, ABC's scientific team is innovative, cutting edge, and focused on providing you with the highest quality products that demonstrate clinical and therapeutic effects.
Hi, I'm Dr. John Lawrence, and I'm a naturopath and chiropractic physician, and like most people, I love to travel. So I've been working on some different solutions to the problems associated with travel, especially when you're crossing time zones, like destinations like this. This is Lanikai in Hawaii. You see the Mokulua Islands behind me, and we've got this beautiful location right on the water. But one of the things that really affects a lot of people is the air quality when you're in an airplane. So one of the problems with the air quality is that there's a lot of bacteria, viruses, dust particles, and also probably the most worrisome is the mold and various kind of fungus mycotoxins that's in the air. And what this does is it really wears us out. And so when we get to a destination, we may not really associate it with that, but we're trying to reacclimate ourselves a bit. And so these the air quality is actually a very big deal. But then you also have the EMF. So there's a lot of electromagnetic stress on the airplane. So what I've created is something called NeuroDiol. And NeuroDiol is a high potency CBD in a suppository. And the reason that we put it in a suppository is that the absorption is very poor orally. And also the delivery is over a period of 6 to 8 hours when you do it in a suppository, which would carry you through most flights. And keep in mind, you can always redose. The NeuroDiol is very neuroprotective. It's very anti-inflammatory, pain relieving. It'll allow you to calm and be relaxed, calming your nervous system down, which obviously if you're not charged up on the flight, you're going to be resting and preserving your energy for your trip when you get there, when you arrive. So the NeuroDiol comes in 50 milligrams, 150, 300, and also 600. Personally, I like to use the 300 milligrams, but you're going to want to find your dosage to understand, what's going to be right for you. The second thing is a product that I actually formulated over 10 years ago that's an antimicrobial nasal spray. And this nasal spray is called Glutastat. And so what's recommended is that you use the Glutastat intranasally, every hour or two while you're flying. And this will really prevent you catching anything while you're flying. So, the last thing you want to do is you want to catch a virus or get sick, because you're in a closed environment on the airplane with a lot of other people. And then lastly, the biggest challenge is sleep, right? Because you're in a strange hotel. Here, you can sleep with the sound of the crashing waves, which is beautiful. And you can hear it in the video here. But what I found is that the time frame is such a challenge. So when you get to Hawaii, you're 5 hours earlier. So you're going to sleep so early, and then you're waking up, again so early, sometimes 2 or 3 in the morning. And so it doesn't allow you to really enjoy your vacation as much because you're on a different time frame than everybody else. So that's what comes in with Sandman, which is another suppository delivery, mainly because of the high dose melatonin, the glutathione, and some of the other sleep promoting substances are very, very key, and they don't have good oral absorption. And the slow delivery for a good night's sleep is really important as well. So I'd invite you to really take a look at the technology within Sandman to reset your circadian rhythm, to get you a good deep night's sleep wherever you're staying. Whether you're traveling from Europe to the United States, or from the United States to Europe, or Hawaii, or wherever you're traveling, you can always take the Sandman at the time that you want to go to sleep. and it's just a beautiful thing. So I invite you to take a look at the Travel Hacker Kit and travel happy and travel safe and enjoy your travels. All right. Take your traveling to new heights with Travel Hacker. Better living through science. Aloha.
Unique and powerful formulations and delivery systems, sustained release technology, and specialized probiotic strains that support specific therapeutic targets. For more information about our exciting product lineup, you can go to advancedbiocorp.com, or you can email us at info@advancedbiocorp or give us a call. Remember, if healing is possible, consider it to be within your reach. Bye for now.